I'm doing okay. Got a better jaw and tooth situation. We had some smoke from the fires, but that's dying down a bit. You still got smoke going on?
It's much better here, although Brian is all like, everything is great now, and it's not
Oh,
perfect. Like you still can go outside and see like smoky air, but it's so much better. Um,
oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's a little better now. I think we got some rain yesterday, so it's like took some of it out of the air, but I think the fires are still more or less raging, so it's like replacing the smoke. Pretty, pretty sweet. Pretty dystopian. Gotta love it.
yeah, we have sunlight today, which we
Oh,
haven't had sunlight in a while. So that's been nice.
nice.
But yeah, like I have this like little mark on my face, and I just want to share in your pain for jaw pain, because
Yeah.
my 3-year-old accidentally headbutted me right there, and it feels like my jaw like got out of alignment. Uh,
Ooh.
Nowhere near your pain, but I'm like, oh, I feel your pain.
Eek. Oh, I'm sorry. That's brutal. That's so brutal. I don't wish that on anyone because like that's your life, you know. You like eat when you yawn, even sometimes when you breathe. It's not great. So anyway, let's do some Kubernetes. Let's do some YAML today.
Yeah, I'm excited for us to be back. We're doing stuff. I
Hmm.
might mute myself on and off here because my dog seems to be having some fun times.
That's cool.
I might go check this out. Actually, I'm gonna turn myself off. I'll be right back.
You're good. All right, I'm gonna get started. So, I think I checked this out. Step by Step Express, and yeah, all right. So Step by Step Express. This is a XKCD app. I think we can just like CD step one, just to at least see what's going on. And then what does he do? NP or node app.js. Cannot find module express. Read more in step one and read me. npm I express. Let's get some tmux in here. All right, npm I express. Node app.js. Listening on port 8080. Okay, what's up, Xanus? How you doing? How's the week so far? I'm back more or less, by the way. Jaw pain. I had an eye thing from the smoke. I'm falling apart. I got old overnight, I think. Post dental surgery, I got old overnight. So that's pretty cool. Don't get old. I don't know how old you are, but don't get old. It's brutal. Oh yeah, let me open this up. Yeah, it lasted that long. The tooth pain, the tooth pain was decent. It went away pretty quick. Dennis said, "Oh, you're 27. Okay, yeah, I'm 34. So you got 7 years till you're official. Oh, I guess you got 3 years because it's when you turn 30. They say. So when human beings turn 30, that's it. Just just accept your fate." uh, but yeah, I'm over the jaw stuff, more or less. I can almost open my jaw all the way, almost. But yeah, the left side was fine. They said they didn't have to go in too deep to get that wisdom tooth out. He said the right side was like brutal. Yeah, almost all normal foods. I can't do like super heavy duty bread and crust stuff, but almost everything else pretty much. Yeah, he said the right side was like intense. He was like, your jaw will be better in 6 weeks. So it's been 3 now, something like that. So he's like, better in 6 weeks. The bone is not going to grow back for 3 to 4 months. So I'm rolling heavy here. I have holes. I gotta wash them out every day. I'll stop with the TMI, but it's not amazing. But yeah, you know, don't get old. You got 3 more years, Dennis, till it's all over for you. Anyway, Jennifer, we're talking about getting old. Yeah, all right. So, did I start this? I did start this thing up. Okay, less than 3 years. Yeah, just live it up. Do everything on your bucket list that you could think of, because you're getting old. You're getting up there. Oh man. All right.
Everything changes at like 29. Then
yeah.
35. Then 38.
Yeah. Getting weird.
It's like
left
it
and right
accelerates.
here. Yep, it accelerates. Oh, you got some stereo problems? I'm sorry. I got my double mix here going. Jennifer, what's your side? How's your sound going?
I think my sound is fine.
Okay, you got any stereo issues left or right?
I'm listening to you talk.
How's this? Zanus, what do you think? Hopefully that's better.
Keep talking, Aaron.
Yeah, I think we're okay. Maybe not, but sounds okay on the monitor, so I hope. The audio woes with me and you are ongoing.
I'm not hearing it. I went and listened to the stream. I'm not hearing it, so.
Yeah. All right, maybe it's headphones. Zanus, let us know if you're still getting left and right in the headphones. But oh yeah. So we gotta do.
Okay, what are we doing?
I'm just trying out the app. It's now listening on 8080. So.
Oh, have you talked about it at all?
The app?
Yeah.
No, not really. It's our colleague Tierney. He was on the stream twice, I think. He made this app that shows XKCD comics. It's pretty cool. I'm into it. It's got all these steps to work up to Dockerizing it, doesn't it? Yeah, Docker file. It's just straight up step one.
Here's what I'm getting from your sound issues. I'm not hearing you in the Skype. I'm having to hear you from the stream.
Oh, interesting.
Like there's like gaps. Like it goes in and then out. It's like this is like huge gaps. It's weird.
Interesting. What is going on? What is happening?
Yeah, so I was like, I asked you about the app, and then there's like silence, and then all of a sudden, because I have the stream, I'm still listening to it. I hear you talking, and I'm like, whoa.
What is happening?
Okay, so does everybody know what XKCD is? Because it's fabulous. There's the comics themselves, but also the comments that you have to like sort of hover over to see.
Yeah, the comments
can be a little complicated.
Actually, how do you do that? How do you hover over the comments?
Like if you, yeah, right there.
Oh, both two. So each one has a comment. Both too cautious and not cautious enough. I'm skeptical that those are aliens. I'm gonna try pulling off their mask.
Yeah, so for every comic, you have to hover to see the extra humor.
Nice. I did not know that.
Which is what's so nice about this app is it gives you it without that.
I love it. That's so cool. What else we got? Next, please.
Do you have a favorite XKCD? If so, share it in the channel.
I want this engraved on my tombstone like the epitaph of Stevenius. My ideal fridge. That's awesome.
Everything goes to bad.
It's bad. I actually don't have an XKCD favorite comment. Click and drag. Nice.
There's some great ones with Agile. And estimating time. That one, I think, is...
What's the buzz about this film? We're hoping it's distracting. So I think we can see this in the app. We have to do /comic ID equals the ID error comics. Oh, maybe the initial. Did I open it? There we go. Oh, it doesn't have it. It doesn't have the actual comic endpoint yet, I think.
Oh, okay.
Step 4. It might be step 4. Yeah, start rendering comments. Oh, yeah, Rispozny. Nothing like a good Rispozny. Yeah. You know, maybe I'll make a branch for this, and
Tyranny is gonna be like, why are you correcting my puns?
You think that's a pun?
I don't know. It's probably intentional that he's kept it there.
Oh, did I even put? I think I need to add his upstream. I do not want to clone with SSH. Let's pull it down and then...
Here's one of the ones I like.
Oh, you were thinking it was an important word, not one they set. I think it's just whatever you write here. Like, this is that anonymous function, so whatever you put as the parameter name, you just use it.
It just needs a match. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it didn't match, that would be a problem.
Yeah. But VS Code helpfully says unknown word. It's like the bottom of the barrel spell checker.
The C spell.
Just, I think it just has this, like, just a super long dictionary in the TypeScript somewhere. It just says, oh, that's not in the dictionary. So it must be, I don't even think they say misspelled. They just say like Rispozny. It says unknown word, which is like not misspelled. It's just like, it's not in our dictionary. So it must not be a word. So, okay, response, not Rispozny. That's cool. I'm actually gonna open up the whole thing, the whole repo with all the steps. Okay, what is that? Do you know why this is orange instead of the other color, whatever it was? Interesting.
This is magical.
Yeah. Maybe it's like, this is a Node app, so it's orange. I don't know. 327, what do we got?
You know what, I like, do 10...
Yes. Bobby Tables.
Oh, Bobby Tables.
Her daughter is named Help, I'm trapped in a driver license factory. This is, oh, Bobby Tables. I love Bobby Tables. Oh, this is probably the best one for me too, Xenus. I forgot about Bobby Tables too.
How can you forget about Bobby Tables?
My brain is just, it's got a TTL of like 50 seconds or something.
Oh, I figured it was just like drop table and that's what happened.
Maybe every night about 7 p.m. drop table, select all, drop. Can you do drop table star? Is that a SQL statement?
star. I do believe you can.
Up there. Well, that's what happens with my brain. Drop table star.
Because it's like database dot. No, maybe you could. I don't know.
Well,
It's been a while since I did some bad SQL.
same, same here. What are we on? Step 1 still? I think we're on step 1. Step 1. You know when your hands are they're like lined up one character off? Do you ever do that?
Yes. And then it's fun.
Yeah.
Also, when my brain seems to be like, it's a couple characters behind my fingers, and then the thing I'm saying now, like, overwrites. It's weird.
Oh, I hear you. Oh, nice. Xanus, you got the Moonlander keyboard? I gotta show you this, Jennifer. I don't know if you've seen it.
Oh, I have not.
This is gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
The DOS key. Nice, you got the DOS keyboard. Right on. I gotta show you my keycaps.
So I just got this one, but it's not appropriate for streaming. So check it out.
Why, is it like explicit or something?
Oh no, it lights up, but it's just too much.
That's rad.
Too much noise if I was to type. Right now, like if I type, I can be a little quiet. Unless I'm like furiously typing.
All right,
like
Xanus.
furious typing.
Next step for you, get keycaps. The keycaps make all the difference. And yeah, Jennifer, did you get keycaps for yours, like the LEDs?
I have got a coffee ops keycap.
Oh, nice.
But
okay.
I don't have any special. So this is my baby that I haven't used too much yet.
Okay.
But the feel of it. So this is turned into the keyboard stream. The feel of it is so magical. It's a keyboard I/O, and it's just
my bad. Ooh.
It's so nice.
Is it
it's
half
real wood. Yeah. So you can angle it. Yeah.
That's rad. I mean, this thing is like $300. I can't 365. I can't.
Yeah, this was $300. I can't have it out yet because Frankie, like, it's terrible. Like I'm okay with like, that's my baby keyboard.
Nice.
But,
yeah.
If Frankie touches my Microsoft $50 keyboard with his sticky hands, it's cool. I can replace it.
Yeah. Otherwise, no.
Mr. Jelly.
Yep, Mr. Jelly. I feel like that's me. It's like Mr. Coffee. Do the lights still shine through? Are you talking about Jennifer's? So yeah, I'm like.
One, it kind of backlights on this one. On the keyboard I/O, I can't remember. I have one other one where the lights are really cool. And that's the one I have the keycaps for. That's another typey one.
Right on.
This is totally turning the keyboard. So the thing I love about this typewriter one is that there's no number keypad, and a lot of the specialized keyboards you can get don't have that number pad, which is super nice because the width of your keyboard and how far away your shoulders have to be to have a mouse. Like developer productivity really is impacted by keyboards if we don't talk about it enough.
For sure. Do you need to print it on the text for the light to come through? It depends on the backlight, I think.
It does. It can either be empty, like an absence, like you can either do reverse or not. And some things look better reverse and some I don't know. It's interesting. Ed Anderson actually did the coffee ops one, and the original one he actually ended up reversing it, I think, because what the light shows through is kind of like the white areas.
Oh yeah. So if I remember, the keyboards that have an individual LED per key, I think you gotta get clear keys. But it's just like a straight up backlight with like however many LEDs. I think those are okay to just have like whatever keycaps you want. If I'm not mistaken. I'm probably mistaken, let's be honest, but yeah.
We don't know enough about keycaps.
Yeah.
Other
Xanos
than
like
the feel of them. The feel is like what's really important to me.
oh yeah, but
Something
Xanos,
about the angle.
there are these different key switches. Like I prefer Cherry MX Brown. I mean, we're just doing a keyboard stream now, and I love it.
I'm digging it because
Yeah.
like the switch is how much the depressor takes,
Yeah.
as well as the sound it makes. It's
Yeah, my that's my pref too is brown. Cherry MX Black is super smooth. Like it's like a Mac, almost like a Mac laptop keyboard or their desktop keyboard. It's just super smooth. Oh yeah, and they just came 5 years ago. They have a noise dampened version too, the Silent. So that's that. These are a little more feedback, but still super quiet. The blue are super, yeah, these ones are super loud, and like there's like a clear switch. Cherry Brown, that's what I like. These are in the middle of the road, like still get the click, but you don't have to press down quite as hard. Yeah, they even put a force, centinewton. Is that like centimeters, but for newtons maybe? I'm guessing. But yeah, seriously, it's a lot of it is metal. The DOS keyboard. Yeah, and then there's Cherry MX, and there's other brands, Kale and Razer and Romer, and I guess Logitech has one too. Yeah, but Cherry is the ones that I've experienced with at least. Yeah. I'm a big keyboard. I'm not, I don't know. I'm kind of a noob on keyboards, but I want to be less of a noob, I guess. That's where I'm coming from. All right, let's do some JS. A little bit of JS.
a little bit.
A little bit. Just a little. So we just straight up ran it. Xanos, I don't know what a rebind is. What's the rebind?
This is keyboards.
Is it like a keycap puller or something? I don't know what a rebind
Or,
is.
do you mean like remap?
Oh, remap. Is that? I use Power Toys for that. Oh yeah. Power Toys. I use the keyboard manager. Yeah, you remap and then you do shortcuts. I came from Mac, so I don't like the caps lock, so I just made that the Windows key, and then I made the left-hand side Windows key the control key, which is like kind of like the command key in Mac. And then what is that? What did I do? Left and right for browser tabs and terminal. Yeah, this is all that. Left and right for browser tabs and terminal tabs and stuff. But yeah, I put caps lock as window. The Windows key. Let me find Power Toys.
I just realized I need to let go of my feels about remapping keys because I'm no longer doing like IT support. There's nothing like you remap your keys and then go to some keyboard where you're having to help somebody out. And then like there's that. I guess like in tutorials as well when you're like helping somebody and they're like, can you type it? And you're like, my fingers have memorized something else. Just need to let it go. I'm never touching anybody else's keyboard ever again in my life.
Yeah. Now that it's, I finally made an office when I moved. So now it's like, yeah, I've got a Mac over there, and that's another DOS keyboard, but the Mac layout. I got the Windows keyboard here, unless I'm on my own laptop somewhere else, I'm the same as you. I'm never touching anyone else's crap. It's like, I'll SSH into your machine, but I'm not using your hardware. Oh, I'm just an asshole, I Yes.
No. So I have touched. Oh, I've touched some gross keyboards in my time.
Same. You know, you can see the gunk on the keys. And these days, like,
And it's like,
even
oh man,
more.
talking about sticky hands. Oh, like,
Yeah.
ugh.
Even more so, like, right? Like, even more so these days. Like, hell no. Not touching your shit. Hell no. I'm gonna take a toothpaste tube of hand sanitizer to your keyboard first. Hell no.
can we can we have a whole series on this? And like the guy squirts some sanitizer on the
Ah,
keyboard.
ah,
I'm
gross.
fixing your keyboard.
Yeah. Flavored keyboards. What's up, Modern Meerkat? Yeah, flavored keyboards. Yeah, don't. It's like those keyboards are like practice for social distancing. It's like don't touch your face after you touch one of those because you know that flavoring, the mesquite flavoring on those keyboards. Brutal. Brutal.
I worked with someone who had a he believed that showing how hard you worked was important, and the key way to do that is to be smelly. And
God.
he had a strategy of leaving his clothes in the dryer wet, and so they get really funky. And it was like I would touch his keyboard, and the smell would get attached to my hands. Like it got so bad once I puked on him. I literally puked. So this was not like light fragrance. It was strong. So yeah, like
Nasty.
yeah. So
What
so
up,
like I
Stupak,
would never.
by the way?
Yeah, this is all remapping. This comes
Yeah.
back to remapping.
Yeah, you make it your own. Stupak, we're talking about keyboards. You got it. What did we? Yeah, did you see this? By the way, Stupak, have you seen the Moonlander? $365, but look at that thing.
I want to hear it, and I want to like actually do the typey feels with the thumbs.
Yeah, I don't know what that thing is, but baller.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, that's got to be remapped to like something awesome. Like
Yeah.
delete the code,
Blow up the
deploy the
computer.
code. Like it could be like right, delete, left, code,
Yeah.
deploy.
Alt F4. The red ones are Alt F4.
Okay,
But
what
you used to be able, I think they're out, but you used to be able to customize the switches. But I don't know, Stupak, I don't know if they had non-cherry. I think they might have had only cherry in here.
Oh no way! There is a Ducky mechanical keyboard. Can you share which one you have?
Yeah.
Oh, look how nice that is.
For reals, $400. It does
Holy
look pretty
moly!
cool.
What is that thing?
The typewriter kind of deal. Oof.
No, that's like the early computers I use. That's not like a.
Yeah.
That's like a. What is that thing?
Ooh.
That's amazing.
Look at all these. Ooh. What is this? Decommission? What is this thing?
The Ducky Shining. Okay. I just saw this one, and this one looks so cute. And I'm wondering if the color. Wait.
Oh, hell
the
yeah.
col-
Oh, by the way, I want, yeah, their Year of the Pig. Baller. Yeah, except I would get new keycaps because this is,
Oh,
I don't
whoa.
like these.
I'm gonna get that for Frankie. Like, can you find me a?
Yeah. Meerkat, you've got a blue-white Year of the Pig? Or the ducky?
The blue
the other
and
duck.
white one. Yeah, the.
I looked at this, I was like, this keyboard costs 200 grand.
What?
This is baller. Custom LED.
Is there like an advocacy role that does keyboards? Because I'd totally be doing that.
Nice. Yeah, I would too. The duckies are cool. I like them. I used to use one. I went with the DOS keyboard. It seems more solid, but These duckies, if I'm not mistaken, these are metal, right? These are straight up metal. I don't know.
Look there,
That's
that
what I was
one.
thinking of.
That's really cute.
Yeah.
But look at the one above, like the colors and stuff. Oh wait, how come I saw something different? Like I had like a rainbow colors. Do they
Ooh.
all have LEDs that you can like? That's sweet.
Ooh. But where's the space bar?
You don't need a space bar.
Where we're
Where is the
going, we
space
don't need
bar?
roads.
Where is space?
Stupak, you gotta tell me, like where? Oh, the shift key or the space bar. So where is this? Where do you?
Oh, is it? No, that's
Right
the J and
thumb?
the F.
Do you have to
Wait,
remap?
what? It's the shift key where the space bar should be.
Below N and M, that's shift, but you could remap that to space bar. I
Below
guess.
N and M. That shift is a space bar?
But you still got the regular shifts too. So you use right thumb for space bar. Oh, it's just keycap. You can change it. Okay. I mean,
Oh.
I would roll with this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I love that wood finish too. I'm with you, Xanis. Those keycaps look kind of cool. I might go metal.
I think the F and J look a little like they're too much. Like that would keep you from like doing the thing you were talking about being one off.
Yeah.
Like if you look
Yeah.
at the F and J, they're like swoop.
I thought of, I guess it would be like F and J or somewhere in the middle row of the letters to have like that anchor. So maybe, like I thought of putting metal there, but I feel like you would buy a whole set of metal for 2 keys. So yeah, they're scoops, so you know where F and J are. Yeah, instead of the nubs. Yeah, I like that.
Okay,
like
so I was looking at the Ducky One Mini, and it looks like it's got lights. Now I'm wondering, can you actually personalize like the colors that come up?
Where's this one mini you speak of?
Right there, right there,
The
right there.
Mecca?
That thing right there.
Okay.
Not, it was to the right.
Oh, to the right.
You gotta-
Okay.
So it was like magical color. See, magical
Ooh.
color.
Ooh.
Yeah, right. And like you'd be like, code deploy failed, all red.
Oh wait, you cannot remap. Are you talking about this one, Stupak? You can't remap the keys on this? Cause, oh, maybe. Oh, you can't remap the shift?
Oh, you can't remap on the Ducky 1-2 Mini.
Oh, the 1-2 mini. I got you.
So you. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Why couldn't you remap it? But can you do Can you program the colors? So like, could you have like a GitHub action? Like, could you like?
That'd be cool.
Could you send some messages?
Yeah, you swap caps and control. I did that. Well, I swapped caps in Windows. I guess I'm just a little different, I guess.
Remap keys.
But I didn't even know you could remap at the hardware level, to be honest with you. Oh, this looks like a straight backlight. It doesn't look like there's... Some of them have like the single LED per key. This looks like backlight, and they got transparent keycaps for the actual text.
So I have something like this, and the problem is only on Windows can you program the lights, which I wasn't aware of until after I got it. Because otherwise, you can press the keyboard and just like flip through the different options they already have.
Yeah.
But it's not like there's an API that you can call on your keyboard.
Yeah. Well, check it out,
signal
though.
stuff.
Check it out. Apparently, well, I don't know, Xanus, if you're right, like, can you flash a keyboard to remap the keys or do the lights? Like, is that a thing? That would be cool. That'd be really cool. Like, you know what I mean?
Apparently, all we need is one of these. Oh, so your Ducky is per key backlit. Oh, so we need to see some of this. some of this goodness.
You can bring your keyboard settings with you. So it's like, ooh, Stupak. Ooh. Nice. Look, record and record over. Like, you can map that to like an OBS. You can do an OBS key map for that or something. That'd be cool.
There it is, your stream map, right there on the
Yeah.
keyboard.
I'm Stream Deck all the way though. Oof. I'm about to spend like $1,000 right now. This is a start, and then what? We've got a $400 one somewhere. Oh yeah, who brought up this keyboard?
What is this thing?
Someone said what this is in the chat. Sorry. Where was that? Someone said it's a something.
Okay,
Someone
so if you
said
wanted
this
a
is like
cool keyboard and you were on a budget, what would be the best keyboard you could get?
Oh, it's a desk toy. Okay, yeah. It's just for looks, Tupac. It's pointless. It's a desk toy. Like most
I don't know,
things.
what's the budget? Maybe like $100? Who knows? Is $100 a lot? I think it is, but
I don't know.
but a quality keyboard would, I don't know.
This
How much is a
budget.
quality keyboard?
I don't know. DOS keyboard. How much are those? Do they even have the? Ooh, you can get a keycap puller with any keyboard. I didn't get that. Man, you have to go onto Amazon. I mean, these are over. If we're talking about $100, Keychron K6. Okay. Yeah, that's solid. %65 wireless. Okay. I thought it was either 100% or 0% wireless. Ooh. Yeah, that's that's within budget for real. What's up, X Message? Good to
So
see you
I
again.
have a question for folks. What does the sound like compared to our music and voice sounds?
Turn down the music a bit, but I can turn it more down. This is.
I think we should turn the music down a little bit.
All right, got you. Coolio. This is nice. Smart Set Programming Engine. Logitech G Series. I haven't been up on Logitech for a while. I haven't really been. I keep dropping the stereo channels.
Hi,
What?
Frankie. Hi. Are you sleepy?
You're talking about stereo channels for
Come here, Bubba.
my voice?
Come here.
Because that's super weird. That's super weird. Why is this? Why is this? No, I'm good. I'm all good. Super weird. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what's
We'll have to
going
do
on.
a test stream that's just like sound quality improvements.
Yeah, it's like going in and out. That's happening for Xanus and Stupak. That means it's not. It's me. It means I suck.
You don't suck. It's just our there's a specialist called sound engineering
Yeah, I know.
that really are skilled at this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm on stereo, not mono. I mean, I can change to mono. Maybe that'll fix. I don't know.
So I like this recommendation, Meerkat. I feel like we don't talk enough for folks who are just starting and maybe don't have a lot of budget for keyboard stuff. And so I don't know what what people's budget for a keyboard would be, but I think like there's a vast difference between some of these really inexpensive, or even they are expensive sometimes, but like there's no clear information about what it is that you're missing out on. Like you totally have to give up stuff. You can't have like the super duper awesomeness, but you can have a little bit better of an experience, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
I mean, it's tough to know like the feel too. You talked about like.
Tell Aaron, please go up so I can see what you were looking at.
Please go up.
Oh, Stupak, thank you.
Please go up.
Let me see what we got.
Go up. Please go up. Aaron. Why is it going up?
Ah.
Why is it not going up?
I don't know.
Weird.
He's looking at different images.
I apologize. Let me try putting my stereo on, or my mic on mono.
But
It's okay. Oh, but he's just looking at stuff. He's working on fixing his microphone.
What do we got? Anything good or bad? If I just straight up mono, I might be in everyone's one ear, which is brutal. And I may not want that.
Oh, you sound okay, ish.
Yeah, I mean, flapping like that is weird and not ideal.
Hey, go
All right,
up,
2 ears.
go
Hopefully we're not
down,
gonna flap.
Go down.
Oh, I don't want Logitech. Stupak, why not?
Why is it not going down?
What's...
I don't think Aaron can hear you.
Why?
I can hear him in the on Skype
No,
over Skype.
go up, go up, go up.
What up, Frankie?
Hey, Frankie, it's okay. He can't go up right now.
Switches
He's
make a
fixing
big difference
something.
on the price.
Oh,
Ducky
let me
Shine
show you
7,
something
cherries
else.
250
Here we
cents
go.
on Amazon. The silvers and blacks
You
are
wanna
169.
see? Okay, hold on. Let's look at this.
No,
Hold on.
this is too boring.
Oh, but mommy's working right now.
But
Oh,
there's
let's
a
see the
way,
deer at the
there's
top.
a way to miss
Right up.
this.
Ducky Shine 7,
Hey.
329 on
Hey,
eBay.
Brian.
Logitech does. Oh yeah, you're right. I don't think they do have a mechanical keyboard. I mean, this is a solid. This is cherry switches. It's just like a flat. Doesn't look like much. Oh, here we go. The Logitech always uses software on your computer, huh? I did not know that. Is it for like the special features like the knobs and whatever on those? So yeah, and if you're actually Meerkat, if you're going for a keyboard for a new programmer, would you go mechanical or would you go non-mechanical? Whatever that's even called, I don't know. Oh, and Keychron, you can go non-cherry. Keychron what? 4? I mean, these are slick. These look really slick. Optical. Brown switch. Blue. Are these all straight up cherry switches? Meerkat. Sun and IBM mechanic. I remember those. Those were super like clicky. There's like a mouse. Like if you had a mouse button that went down like 4 centimeters or something, it was like that. I was into them. Gateron. Okay. Let me look up Gateron. Keyboard. Switch. Gateron. Glorious Gateron. Color introduction. Clear. Red. Oh, colors loosely related to cherries. I got you. Have I ever listened to typing sounds on YouTube? You know, I should not be surprised that that's a thing on YouTube, but I still am. Typing sound. IBM Model M. We're in like super keyboard nerd territory now. But I actually, had I known this, I would have actually done this before I bought my first DOS keyboard. I'll be honest with you. This is your wheelhouse. What, like, how do you know? How do you know all this stuff about keyboards, Stupak? relaxing sound of typing. I didn't know typing was a relaxing sound. You just immerse yourself.
Oh, so I'm learning things from Stupak. Like people need to know this about Logitech.
This is 9.5 minutes of keyboard typing. Amazing. Amazing. I love that. You started watching YouTube, then subreddits. Is there?
Wait, so people stream about keyboards?
We're streaming about keyboards right now.
I know, but it was an accident.
wait, Stupak, is there an actual subreddit for keyboards?
Oh, there's totally. I do look at that for mechanical keyboards even.
Ooh.
And
I'm
you can
definitely
the
in.
showcase one like
Done. Oof. Look at these. Oh my god. Mac keyboard. Okay, I got mechanical keyboard. Mac keyboard buys. Keyboard related group buys. Ah, Keeb. Yeah, I saw. Stupak, you were like, what's that Keeb? I was like, is that a real? It is a real. Now I see. Now I see the light. G413 and G610 are mechanicals from Logitech and under 100. I mean, they make good looking stuff.
I thought we
Backlit.
said.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Get what you pay for. Aftermarket stuff. Okay. Apiary keyboards? There's a streamer that does keyboards? Straight up, I'm gonna follow. Straight up. I got a thanks for following.
Oh,
Look at that.
See, look at this.
Look at that, 131 viewers. See?
But
Keyboards.
is this an ad? This thing.
This is an
happening.
ad. Yeah.
Oh,
This is
no
an ad.
way! Now I understand. Oh, whoa.
Tehi types. Okay. Following. You know what? Are we just gonna straight up watch a stream on stream? Is that... Oh yeah, APR keyword. Meerkat. That's a good question. How did we end up on keyboards? I think Zanus. Zanus said he just bought. They just bought a new DOS keyboard, and then we just straight up. I showed off my new keycaps.
It was a cycle. Like it was interesting. It went from one thing to another thing.
I mean, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with how it progressed.
Was it the XKCD?
What's happening? Looting are they? Oh yeah, they're making keycaps and keyboards with CNC. That is so awesome. So awesome. Oh, this is a keyboard case. What? I think there's a tech shop in Portland. I could get into this. I'll be honest with you. That's so cool. Solid aluminum. You all just blew my mind. Like I'm just gonna watch keyboard streams. No.
The rest of the day.
All my work is like I just deleted it off the to-do list.
What's the open source keyboard channel? Like, there's got to be open source keyboard channels.
Twitch.
Like, oh no, I just mean like,
Actually.
like what's the open source keyboard software, all that stuff. We could be like, do. We're doing our
40%
job. It's
keyboard
open source.
You feel way more normal watching King of Pants playing the Murder She Wrote games. You feel more normal than watching a bunch of people chat about keyboards and watch keyboard streams on screen. Mike Merlin does some work on QMK open source firmware. That's pretty cool for customizing key layouts.
So there's a Murder She Wrote game.
Ergo docs.
Ergodox. Ooh.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, this looks like that Moonlander kind of.
That is the Moonlander, isn't it? Go
Is
up.
it?
Go up. Go up. Go up.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh.
Wait. Is your keyboard
Is the Moonlander
Open
based on
source?
Ergodox? Yeah, okay.
Or is that an ad?
No, yeah, Stupak,
Oh,
yeah.
they make Moonlanders. So, look at that. Your keyboard, you should expense it. It's open source.
I don't think expensing is a thing. Plus, I want the keyboard to be mine. My own. What was the other thing? QMK.
I want to know more about this Murder She Wrote game and the King of Pants. I don't even know who the King of Pants is. That a Twitch stream?
Nice. Open source. Oh, there's tons. The Ergodox EZ. Get keyboard. Keycaps. Easy glow. So you can do it all yourself for Ergodox. Not sure how much cheaper it would be. Interesting. King of Pants. Oh, is this the Murder She Wrote gamer? You just gotta follow King of Pants. Smaller Ergodox.
DJ, mashup artist, and performer. Snack enthusiast. I am all for snack. Oh, I have seen this person before randomly. I don't know how I've seen this person randomly, but I recognize Spa Day.
So I got a question, Stupak. How do you, so like, is it straight up you have a case and plates, and then how do you put switches into the case? Is there like some kind of tray or something that you put in there and wire them up? Or is that this stabilizer? Plate. Okay. Plate. Okay. Oh. Okay. So you pop these into the plate, and then how do you wire them up? I could probably be looking this up. Nice. They snap into the plate. The plate is held or attaches to the case in various ways. Okay. They come with PCBs
I was looking at
built.
this.
Oof. Nice.
I couldn't figure out like where are the keys, and then I reread the message. Yes, excluding the switches and the keycaps.
Oh, you solder the pins to the PCB. Oof. I mean, this is kind of a cool hobby.
When you say not too hard, I feel like soldering is an elite skill.
The key streamers usually stream doing builds. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna pick one of those up and check it out. I'll be the judge of how hard it is to block. Because I don't know, like, even doing my computer build took me, I mean, I didn't really sit down and actually do it, but I'll be honest, it took me probably a total of 10 hours. Just because, like, cable management, cooling, like, I'm just super rusty on that stuff. Meerkat, what's your Twitter? I'm gonna go follow you.
That is
Cool.
probably how I have seen it.
Cyberboard prototype. Rad. Underscore A underscore W. These platypuses are real.
You should check out some of his awesome recent tweets. I think they're very applicable to the stream.
Mainly a feed of bull stuff. Jose, thank you for the follow. Welcome and much appreciated. You wouldn't happen to be Jose, the Jose that is part of GopherCon, would you? Is this you, Stupak?
That's a double underscore? Yep.
No.
Double underscore equals Dunder.
Oh. Dunder. Oh, I didn't know that. If I finally call. I thought you were talking about Dunder Mifflin.
Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. Now I sound like Frankie. Go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. Okay, you have to check out some of these awesome things. Oh, look, here we go. I wish GitHub Actions were better. So much potential wasted. It's actually not rebranded Azure Pipelines. It just uses Azure Pipelines in the backend. But
does it?
I
didn't know that.
yeah. So, some parts of it, yeah, but they're separate, right? But yeah, I want to know about more potential. Oh, you are all in a startup. A major site outage happens. The next day, there's a company all hands. Should the outage be discussed immediately, discussed in the middle, discussed last, or ignored? Everyone vote now.
Probably immediately. And then blame everybody immediately. It depends if it was DNS or not. It's always DNS. Have you tried? Oh, Dunder init? Man, okay. This is what I want then. That's the function I'm gonna write in Python, right there. GitLab CI/CD. I have not tried GitLab CI/CD. Pre-commit robots. Yedis Apache. Apache Yedis. I've never heard of Apache Yedis.
Oh, see.
Azure Pipelines, Circle CI, CRCI, GitHub Actions. Not stable, should be viewed as experimental. Azure Pipelines is not stable, viewed as experimental. Interesting. Test on the Ubuntu VM. What is Yedis? Collection of libraries.
Alan's gonna tell us all about Yedis.
Who's gonna tell us?
Meerkat.
Oh, Meerkat.
AKA
okay.
Alan.
Meerkat, aka Alan. Do I need 1 hour of typing? I mean, yes. I shouldn't overpay for Best Buy. I'll watch you later, dude who's selling me Best Buy hardware probably, or keyboards. Document a well-defined supported interface for downstream projects. Help release managers generate release documentation based on information provided by community issue trackers and source repositories. In honor of the shellcode, the project takes its name Yedis from a synonym of the Symbium genus of gastropods. That's oddly specific. So docs. It's a pre-commit patch tester. So I still don't get it. I still don't get what this is. If your project.
You need some Apache Yedis one-liner goodness. Because like the one-liner is basically a collection of libraries and tools that enable contribution and release processes for software projects. That doesn't tell you.
Yeah. It seems like it's got a lot of stuff. Where was I at? Was I back here? It's got pre-commit, docs, shell docs. So do you just bring it into, what's up, Jose? The GopherCon Jose, I'm assuming. Since that's also your last name. Jose works with me, Eric, Brian, Kettleson, a bunch more people. And we're doing GopherCon, which is, when is GopherCon?
GopherCon is so fantastic. If you're in the Go community, it's virtual this year, which is fantastic because it means it's accessible to everybody. And the community of folks that are there, like, regardless of what you feel about the Go language, it's a fantastic experience. It is so inclusive.
Jose is here to plug Gopher. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, there's gonna be free stuff here too. We're gonna stream Go stuff. We're gonna stream Go stuff here. Is Eric scared to get his switcher fit? I don't know if he's scared, but he's doing a lot. So, what up, WW Sean? He's doing a lot of work. So, scared, you have to ask him, but he knows his stuff, stream wise. I know he's doing a ton of Rust on stream and off. So, you'll probably see a lot more streams from him doing like all things Rust, I assume. I know he's been doing a lot of GStreamer, and now he's doing building HTTP APIs with Rust, I think. And
So,
he's
in
getting
case folks
good
don't
at
know,
Rust.
Eric is one of the GopherCon founders, organizers, and also a coworker of ours.
Gotta have faith. That's right, Jose. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, he is. Okay, I should use Wikibye. Remember that, everybody. You should use Wikibye. Hadoop multi-branch, change requests, Redis. Oh, so this thing is using Redis. Is this all Redis doing stuff here, Meerkat? Maven dependency ordering, Docker mode activated, Markdown lint. So is it like responsible for pulling all this stuff in? The final report. Use code AR Shellist. Is that for the Wiki Best Buy thing, Xenos? The final report. Oh, so this is Redis reporting back. Is this Redis reporting back to what it did? Use code AR Shellist. Nice. The patch has no white space. So it's like it's clean. It's not, I guess not cleaning up, but maybe like orchestrating something. Also, this took
Testing. Like, I want to say testing.
Testing. Okay. Yeah, because I saw what? It's doing pre-commit hooks, release docs, shell docs. Okay.
So there's the patch tester, which allows you to codify what the criteria for things coming in for the, like, the pre-commit, right?
Okay.
And then documentation. So I feel like it's doing, like, you can codify some of your testing and expectations around what and how people can contribute to your code and documentation and how to release it.
Okay.
Something like that.
Pre-commit, resetting the repo, build to, oh, okay, I guess I see. So it's a meta thing for all your different testing stuff. Build tool. So this is the PR actual branch build. This is, I mean, 336 minutes. That's a lot of time. So this is the branch build. Okay. So it's doing stuff inside of Docker. YAML lint, Markdown lint, Proto tool, checkmake. So it's doing a bunch of stuff with Maven. It only tested the stuff PR to, oh, okay, I see. So Redis knows how to do that, like look at the diff kind of thing. That's pretty cool. So it's like sticking around, trying to make sure stuff passed, I guess. You only see your failures. Nice. I like that. That'd be good. Like, I see why this would be good for a huge ass thing like Hadoop. Because I imagine you touch one thing in Hadoop and you could destroy everything, or it could be fine, but you have no idea what you destroyed and why. Unless you have this. Subsystem. So are these, what are, oh, this is the logs, I guess, huh? The logs for shell check. You could go crazy here. Sorry, you could do a lot here to improve your shell, I guess, if you wanted to. This is the C compiler. Let's not talk about Hadoop Cocoa. Why ever not, Meerkat?
You know what? We need to have you on a stream and share
Yeah.
share some stories about Hadoop.
Yeah. Come do a code review. Are we gonna give you like brain pain or PTSD from Hadoop code quality. Nice. This is cool. I'm gonna check out Yetis.
If you have ever wondered about the production level quality of Hadoop and some of those related products, yes, Alan was the first operation person involved in Hadoop stuff,
No way.
and allowed in the club. So it would in no way, shape, or form be as production ready as it is if it wasn't for Alan.
Nice.
So yeah, he has a lot of stories.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Isn't Hadoop used like at Yahoo and like search engines? So
Guess where Alan used to work?
kind of a big deal. You were .11. What is it now? Hadoop 3. No big deal. Your version .11 and now it's 3. It's pretty cool. What year was that? Besides back in the day, I assume.
Back in the day.
I should check out Hadoop. I remember it had,
No.
or I don't know if it has its own like cluster orchestrator in it. And like I've checked out HBase, but I know that's only a small part of Hadoop itself.
Yeah, that's like the Hadoop ecosystem is so broad, but I feel like it's kind of dying. I don't know. Alan could really say or speak to it. I mean, there's still people using it, totally, but like it's very hard for people to use.
Okay. So
Like not use from the sense of like leverage it to do data analysis, but to configure it, get it up and running.
yeah, I got you.
Thanks, Supak. It was great to have you giving us informed opinions about keyboards.
Right on. Yeah, thanks, Tupac. See you later. Snowflake is overhyped.
What is Snowflake?
Oh, Snowflake, the company?
Oh, there's so many snowflakes.
That's a data
oh,
thing,
it's
right?
a cloud-based data warehousing.
The
Oh,
stock.
apparently, did it go IPO today?
Ah, they're overvalued. They halted trading because did they crash? I could see
The
that.
biggest software IPO ever?
No way.
What? A 73 billion valuation? What? What? What?
Too much volatility. I can imagine. Oh, this is from August. Okay.
I feel like anything called Snowflake.
Snowflake Inc. Snow. It's like kind of typical tech. How do you oh, this is one day. So did they halt trading here at the bottom? You've been seeing ads for them for weeks, and who the hell are these people? Yeah, percentage change. 111%. Oh my god. Oh yeah, 133 at close. When did they halt? I don't see it here. I forget how to change the... how do you go to line graph?
I love your I don't feel so bad about the LinkedIn IPO now. Yes.
133. Oh, they halted trading a few hours ago. Jeez. Seems like that's par for the course for tech IPOs these days, especially like these days when tech is kind of driving the market. Don't tell Snowflake people that they're overhyped. They bite your head off because they're waiting to cash out their 6-month lockup, perhaps. Perhaps that's the reason. Yeah, don't see us so bad. I wonder if they Dub Sean. I wonder if they ran all those ads because they had to. Like that was part of their IPO roadshow. Because they're snowflakes. I see what you did there. This is funny, man. Yeah, yeah, I got you. Almost guaranteed. What? How the stock is trading on its debut. Soared above 130. Sold 28 million shares, biggest of the year. Profile boost. Maybe this is before it halted. Allowed companies to raise new capital and direct listing. It wasn't allowed to do that before. Direct listing is a way to avoid costly underwriting. What was it? Was it some tech company did a direct listing last year too? We got an echo now. Oh my. What is
Isn't like, what does this even mean for the stock to shoot up so high? Does this mean it was undervalued?
Trading in the stock was because of volatility. Yeah. All right. The firm sold shares at 120 each. Stock above, pricing it above. Oh, you mean you're angry because it halted? Meerkat? Snowflake became a major player in cloud data warehousing. It became a hot market with rapid growth of the cloud. Revenue jumped to 264 million in 2020 from 97 in 2019. Oh, angry because it was underpriced. Well, oh, I got you.
Oh, got it.
Shot up. Wow. Certain investors have to sell X%. Why? Is that investors that own stock pre-IPO that had to sell?
Yeah. That now I understand why they get mad about bad pricing.
Yeah. They sell before it pops up, I guess. I'd be pissed
So you
too.
have to sell it. Like they have to have stock to sell. So
Yeah. Bummer. I mean, I don't feel that bad for them. It's kind of a champagne problem, right? But it's still a bummer, I guess. Coronavirus pandemic boosted demand for Snowflake's platform. They also pointed to challenges ahead as the company faces competition from other players like Amazon and Microsoft. Yeah, I mean, all the clouds have pretty good data services, whatever, products. So I don't know what Snowflake offers. I imagine there's a lot of lock-in though for Snowflake customers, so it might not be that big of a deal, except for growth, I guess. Oh, .gay is open. That's cool. Someone should pick up Snowflake.gay and sell it to Snowflake when that TLD catches on. Or maybe it has already, I don't know. Right on, Meerkat. I didn't know those were emoji. Twitch emoji. Apple hires Snowflake engineers to use the system at Apple. Apple bought a while ago. They bought Foundation DB, which was a super cool like streaming analytics platform. I know they picked up a couple other data analysis systems and then like shut them down. I know they did that with a lot of people. Like they acquired people and then like they dropped off the map. There's like no more open source for them. Almost bought f5.dev to troll your company. It was too expensive of a troll. Right on. Yeah, acquire. Yeah. You got, yeah, that's the word. I forgot that one.